Are you ready to make some cute and festive floral earrings perfect for summer? Hello everyone, it's Melissa and welcome back to my channel. We will be designing these adorable little earrings using the newest Softlex design kit, and this is called Exotic Blooms. We are using the Jesse James bead mix that came with the kit, and I'll leave a link down below if any of the items are still available. And then we're using these check glass green beads, some of the little rhinestone beads, and of course your earring findings in your choice, and then the soft flex wire in quartz. And this is a great way to just use any of your leftover wires because it doesn't take much to make an earring. Let's start creating. We're going to take our soft flex wire and just string on one of the little tassel beads. We're just going to slide on that acrylic flower on top. And we have to have sparkle. So we're going to add one of the little rhinestone beads on top, and then one of the green beads. And just slide down. We'll have our adorable little earring, and we're going to do the same thing on the other one. So we'll just cut about 7 or 8 inches of the soft flex wire. On our flower over our tassel, add on our sparkle, and one of the green beads. So we have our earrings. So we have our earrings. We're just going to take a 2x2 and slide it on both of the wires. And with a 2x2, you can put 3 strings or 3 strands of the soft flex medium beading wire. But if we were to pass this through, that would be 4. So one of them we're just going to kind of put off to the side. If you want, you can just kind of bend it down against your bead. And this kind of acts as your tail, something to hold on to. Take the one strand, and we're going to pass it back through our 2x2 and make our loop. And if your loop is too big and you want to make it smaller, just grab your pliers at the base, just kind of slide it down. And then you can go ahead and give it a little smash or set it off to the side and make the second pair or the second earring. And then you can compare your loops before you give it the final smash. We'll have our little tail. We'll just take our nipper. We're just going to trim off our little tail. And we have our beautiful earrings. Your wires, we just slide it right on and close. We'll do the same thing on the other side. And what I like about these designs is it lets the soft flex wire show, so it just incorporates it into the design. We have easy, cute little summer floral earrings. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe for upcoming tutorials and content. Have a great day.